Hi, here is Martina from Domatters China Marketing Agency. Today, I'd like to share something about registering WeChat official accounts for foreign companies. As a sales channel for overseas merchants to land in Chinese market, WeChat is also one of the best windows for Chinese users to understand your products. Many overseas companies hope to enter the Chinese market earlier and use the WeChat public account platform to promote the business and services of overseas company so as to acquire Chinese users and improve annual sales performance. First, there are your target customers on WeChat official accounts. Second, through the WeChat official account, it can be exposed to 1.2 billion WeChat users. Third, the cost of using WeChat official account to promote is low, and the customer adhesion is stronger. Do you know how to register a WeChat public account? Domatters will share two ways and the two important material you need to prepare. The WeChat overseas official account registered by overseas companies can be researched for well by mainland Chinese users. If you want overseas user and mainland Chinese user to follow and wear it, you need to register a WeChat overseas single subject official account. However, the self-registration channel of WeChat's overseas single subject official account has not been opened. Therefore, when applying for registration and certification of WeChat overseas official accounts, it's necessary to use third-party WeChat service providers to assist in completing the registration and certification of WeChat overseas single subject official accounts. If you register independently, you need to prepare material by yourself. The following materials are required. First, official account information, including official account name, login email, profile, logo. Second, company documents, including such as enterprise registration certificate, business registration certificate. Then open the authentication process after the materials are ready. They can be quickly opened and certified through the information property public account within 7 working days. Domatters continue introduce 4 differences between overseas WeChat official account and domestic WeChat official account. First of all, the overseas WeChat official account only allows the registration and certification of the overseas company in titles. Second, overseas companies cannot register domestic WeChat public accounts, even through third parties. However, the overseas companies register WeChat public account that global user can follow through Domatters. Fourth, currently, overseas company can only register service numbers. Please consult Domatters for specific functional differences. If a foreign company operates a WeChat official account registration alone, it will definitely encounter various difficulties in the registration process because it does not understand the process. Domatters has rich experience in registering and operating WeChat official accounts, helping many companies to accurately local target customers and increase corporate exposure through WeChat official accounts. If you want to know more about WeChat official account, please feel free to attack Domatters. We will help you with our professional knowledge. That's all. Thank you. See you next time.